We have been talking a lot about breast enhancement procedures, and if you are looking for a breast enhancement procedure and do not want to go for the implant surgery, then we have a solution for you. Hello friends, I am Dr. Hina Kudyar, cosmetic and plastic surgeon, director and co-founder of the Escalpe Clinic at GK1 New Delhi. ब्रेस्ट एनहांसमेंट बाय फैट ट्रांसफ़र टेक्निक एक बहुत ही सिंपल और बहुत ही नेचुरल वे है टू इन्हांस द साइज़ ऑफ योर ब्रेस्ट. सो इसको हम कैसे करते हैं, वी विल डिस्कस इट इन डिटेल, और क्या क्या प्रिकॉशंस रहते हैं आफ्टर दिस प्रोसीडियर एंड व्हाट इज़ द रिकवरी फेज आफ्टर दिस प्रोसीडियर. नाउ फैट ट्रांसफ़र में व्हाट वी डू इज़ वी एक्सट्रैक्ट फैट. हम फैट निकालते हैं उन एरियाज़ से जहाँ पे अनवांटेड फैट है, वहाँ से फैट हार्वेस्ट करके we process it. Processing means that we remove the blood and water and oil which comes along with the harvested fat. उन सब को remove करके we inject into the breast. So ये जो fat है it is injected and it is injected in different planes of the breast ताकि आपकी breast को एक अच्छी shape मिल पाए after this procedure. So after procedure you can expect some swelling, numbness, bruising around the breast जो कि 1 week में resolve हो जाती है, and after 1 week you will see that you will be recovering very fast. Now, what are the advantages and disadvantages of fat transfer technique vis-a-vis the implant technique? Now most patients they are not ready for the implant surgery, so उन patients में this is a very good option जो कि उनका breast size enhance कर सकता है. Breast enhancement by fat transfer is a very natural way to get the desired shape, और without any incisions, without scarring, safe procedure, और इसमें हम आपके बॉडी का ही फैट ट्रांसफ़र कर रहे हैं, so there are no chances of rejection by the body. But there are some disadvantages with this technique. First of all, you might not get the desired result in one session. एक सेशन में हम बहुत ज़्यादा कप साइज़ इंक्रीज़ नहीं कर सकते हैं. We can increase the cup size by 1 cup in females who undergo breast enhancement fat transfer. अगर उनको लगता है कि they want to increase their size further, so they can go for the second session, or maybe third session is also required in some cases. So this is the only thing in this technique which has to be taken care of. And the second very important thing which needs to be taken care of after this procedure is a constant weight of the person. अगर बहुत ज़्यादा weight में आपकी fluctuation होगी तो ये जो fat है body का ये कम और ज़्यादा हो सकता है according to the fluctuation in weight. Also whatever fat we inject, उसका जो 30% of fat है it is resorbed by the body. So 70 to 80% fat ही हम कहते हैं कि it is taken up by the breast tissue, और उतना fat जो है अगर एक बार जो body take कर लेती है, so it stays there for lifelong. Now coming to the precautions what need to be taken after this surgery is कि we advise the patients to wear a supportive pressure garment after this surgery, which aids in the healing process, also reduces the discomfort which is associated with the procedure. Along with that, the patient is instructed कि वो prone ना लेटे और बहुत ज़्यादा प्रेशर ना डालें ब्रेस्ट पे. फैट ट्रांसफ़र के बाद जो फाइनल रिजल्ट वी एक्सपेक्ट इज़ इन अराउंड 3 months. सो 3 months में जो हमें पिक्चर देखने को मिलती है, दैट इज़ द फाइनल रिजल्ट विच वी कैन एक्सपेक्ट, और ये रिजल्ट जो है इट बिकम स्टेबल इन अराउंड 6 months. So friends, breast enhancement by fat transfer technique is a very good option for you if you don't want to get the implant surgery done. So if you have any queries related to the same procedure or any other plastic surgery procedure, you can always write to us. And thank you for watching this video. I hope I have been clear in explaining you कि क्यों हम फैट ट्रांसफ़र टेक्निक भी कर सकते हैं उन पेशेंट्स में जिनको ब्रेस्ट साइज़ इंक्रीज़ करना है एंड दे डोंट वांट टू गो फॉर द इम्प्लांट सर्जरी.